welcome to my video. My name is Kedon Dewi. I'm from Day 2D and my absent number is 12. In this video, I would like to show you how to make choco lava pudding. But before that, let me explain a little about choco lava pudding. Choco lava pudding is one kind of dessert that made from jelly powder and agar-agar powder. This food has sweet taste because it contains from sugar and also milk. Well, now I would like to tell you the ingredients of choco lava pudding. The first one is 900 ml of water, 2 spoons of maizena flour or corn flour, 100 ml of full cream milk, 1 sachet jelly powder, 1 sachet agar-agar powder, and 300 grams of sugar, 2 sachets of creamy milk, and the last one is pinch of salt.
First of all, mix jelly powder, agar-agar powder, and salt with 300 grams of sugar or according to taste. After that, pour 900 ml of water and 2 sachets of creamy milk. Stir until boil. If the pudding is done, turn off the stove. After that, pour the pudding into pudding mold and put in the freezer. Next, we will make the flour. Mix 100 ml full cream milk and 50 grams of sugar. And then boil for a moment. After that, add 2 spoons maizena flour that has been mixed with milk. Mix and boil until thick. Turn off the stove. Take the pudding from the freezer and plating on the plate. And add the flour on the pudding and give the topping up to you. Pudding choco lava is done. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye bye.